Hi, today in front of you VIVO V21e and I'll show you how to mute ringtone on this device. So open first the settings and then tap to the sound section. Here you'll see media, ringtone, notification and alarm volume panels, and to mute ringtone we should mute the ringtone volume panel. To do that, we should slide to the left side this dot on the ringtone volume panel with our finger. Also, we can make it with the help of the down volume button, but first switch media to the ringtone by this way, and now with the press to the power down volume button, we just successfully muted the ringtone volume. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.